We are gonna hit a very bloody day. Be on the lookout for that. You can still put money in right now. You're not gonna miss out. You're not gonna lose. Everybody want to time it. My feeling, my gut feeling and suggestion is, I'm thinking the Dow might hit like 20,000. Nasdaq is lingering around 11,000. I don't really pay attention to the SP 500 as much. It's really the down to Nasdaq. So I think Nasdaq maybe around the 7,000 mark. I'm going to go in, regardless if it goes down further than that. I won't care because I know it's gonna come back up because it peaked. I think 16. Is it 16,000? I believe something like that. But I know Dow Jones hit like 36,000 and it's right now lingering around the 30,000 mark. So I feel like if it hit 20,000, it's going to be that bloodbath day. Even 22, I might hit the trigger buy button, but I won't miss out. Like, you're not going to miss out. If you go in right now and put everything you had and put nothing else in, especially in the tech sector, which has been battered probably the most amongst the industries, you're not going to miss out. Like, I'm seeing things I bought in 2020 when that bottom had hit, and I'm seeing them getting close to those numbers. Like, I'm paying attention to Square, Lab, the company I told you about, VIR. It's another like biotech company. Even Amazon is like lowering down further and further. But T-Doc, like all these companies that I was paying attention to, and they're at such lows right now. Like, you're getting them at a huge discount, regardless if you buy them now or wait till when that bloody day happens, which we don't know when that will be. That, and again, that's my feeling. It might never happen. Like, we might just be flat right now. This might be the bottom, but I'm not missing out because I didn't sell anything. So if it comes back up, great. I'll be back to where I was, which was quite a bit of massive gains, and I'll miss out on the little stash that I'm putting in right now. It's fine because I still have that cash. I could do whatever it is that I want to do with it. I left my assets untouched, so they're going to come back up with the market. Or if it goes further down, then I'll buy more. So when that come up happens, now I have a lot much more. But either way, I'm not missing out. And that's what we have to think about when we are going in, especially during these uncertain times. Because that whole tug of war thing, I'm pulling, you're pulling, I'm pulling, you're pulling, right? Bears and bulls, it's not going to last forever. It's eventually going to go in one direction. And we know the bulls eventually win. It's just the bears right now are having their little fun. They're enjoying a good time, killing the bulls right now, slashing their heads off and everything. But eventually the bulls are going to regrow their thorns and everything and just like very like kill them all. And there's going to be no more tug of war. They're going to be pulling that rope so far up. And that's what typically happens. The market rebounds so crazy up. We see new highs that we've never experienced before. And this is where that transfer of wealth happens, right? We see that transitioning from one side to another side happen. So if you're not investing in the market, right now it's a good time to put in. And do it recurrently if you don't want to pay attention to what's going on, the news or anything like that. I don't do it that crazy. I mean, I do look at my numbers every day, but I don't do it to the point where I'm making myself mad crazy. That's what you have to do. You could do it on a recurring basis. It's almost like treating it like your savings account, but instead you're buying assets that's going to appreciate over time and you can leverage that.